Good afternoon, YouTube. Here I got my brother Kevin with his Camaro SS Redline. It's a 2018. He just got a new mod on his car. Open it. He just got a cold air intake from the dealership. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit around it. Look how it looks, how clean it looks. Let's see. How you open that shit? This car is really nice. Stock until he added this. Since this is the SS Redline, this car has a couple miles on it. This right here will be the intake from dealer. Yeah, as you can see, it's really fat. They had to put a spacer right here as well. That's what they were telling us, in order for it to not be hitting in the front. So in that case, this car actually breathes better, it runs better. It had it about 10 to 15 horsepower, and since it was from dealer, they actually they tuned the car, right? Yeah, they actually tuned the car exactly how it's supposed to be without him actually doing it on the side. So let me know what you guys think about this beautiful Camaro right here. It's a 2018 SS Redline. What do you have? 6.1, huh?
6.2.
6.2 liter right here. 6.2 on this Camaro. This nigga has a Corvette engine on this baby. Bad baby. Look how neat it looks. It actually looks like a Corvette from the back. It comes with the sensors, it comes with the screen, backup camera, has the seat warmers. Even the wheels have the red line that indicates that this Camaro is the red line. He already added the hitch right there. So just give you guys an idea of how this actually looks. That's only if you get it from dealer. This will only look like that if you do get it from dealer. It's blue and it's really big. It's really mounted exactly where it's supposed to be. There's actually still room here. Like that, doesn't take in much space. If you get it from somewhere else, it's not guaranteed that it's gonna look like this. So this is really convenient. I recommend it to get a dealer. Was it expensive? Yeah, he said yeah. Yeah, it's expensive. Chevy's always gonna be expensive. It's totally worth it. I took him to get him picked up. You know, I didn't get footage, I lagged it there, but the car is totally louder now. He said it pulled faster, it pulled more, so with the power, it's definitely there. He liked how it was pulling. So we're definitely gonna get more footage on that. Just want to show you guys a little bit how it looks in the front. It looks really mean. You see the SS right there. It's the Redline Camaro. So he's already getting the louvers as well. Once he gets the louvers, we're gonna get another footage. We're gonna show you guys around once he gets them installed, and hopefully you guys like how this Camaro is gonna start turning out. And then hopefully we get a race soon with that Civic and the Camaro. Let's see who beats it. A 325 horsepower Civic turboed with a B16 A series swap. And how much horsepower is this pushing?
465.
465 horsepower stock. Well, now that he has the intake, let's see how much he's actually gonna be pushing, and then we'll go from there. Let's see who's gonna win. And since I'm modifying my truck, since we got it over here as well, since I'm modifying my truck, I'll probably give it a little try, race him a little bit. Let's see who wins. You can see the little interior right here. Damn, it's just dirty, man. Keeps it clean. It came with a sunroof stock, huh? Yeah, so it already came with the sunroof. Most Camaros don't even come with that, so that's something that's really nice. Well, at least this model comes with it. And it has the detectors on the mirrors as well, so for your blind spots. So I thought in case you have tinted windows, in which he already got the tinted windows. You got the tinted red Checo's tires right there. So this Camaro does have tinted windows. It has limos in the back. It has 20% in the front. So it's not as dark in the front as it should, especially right here in Moreno Valley, since we have problems with the cops. It's not going to be as bad with the cops always messing with him. And since this is a new car and it's actually a Chevy Camaro, they don't really give him problems, unlike me with the Honda. They pull me over for any little detail. So hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. And then hopefully you guys stay tuned to see any other upgrades that he gets on this Camaro. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned.